to do an intro, and we're just gonna be testing out some airplanes. We're just gonna test out some airplanes. Let's get right into the video. Okay, guys. So the first one is this one. It's just a regular airplane, so.
Well, you're too late, Jaden. Sean and I are gonna make a video.
It's already crammed. It's already like busted up. My cousin like keeps doing something to it. I don't know. He keeps twisting it. Yeah, you do. All right. So we're just gonna do another test flight.
You're trying to make a jet, huh?
Well,
I didn't mean to. Try to throw it over there.
Yeah, by the way, this is
Thank you.
is my jet.
And when my dad made it for all of us. Okay, so we're just gonna do it one more time, and then we're gonna go on with the gliding paper glider. Yeah.
Woo.
Ah, perfect. All right, guys. Now I'm just gonna get this. Now we're doing the glider. And my dad made all of these. But my brother's making that one over there. Okay. So got the airplane. Now we're gonna test it. So the tail always goes on the back. So you're just gonna do it like this, and then fly it. It just flops around. So that's all the airplanes I got. I don't know how to make an airplane. I suck at making an airplane.
That can shoot out of nowhere. Okay.
So yeah.
I'll be in where we are supposed to do it.
Okay, so I guess he's doing it now.
Okay. You made the video of the back. Devin,
Oh, over here?
no. With me. Devin, are you ready?
yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
He's trying to throw the airplane. Whoa, what the? Perfect. Now we gotta start this one too.
Did you got it? Did you get the screen?
I guess we got this one. My brother just made. Yeah, it's horrible.
No, since Jaden's making her video.
No, I thought you're supposed to be doing it from the back.
In case.
She's supposed to be doing it in the back.
Oh, I stuck it.
You're supposed to be doing it over there. She's supposed to be doing it in the back.
I guess so he's basically just gonna make it come out of here. I think.
Wait, let's try it again, but
Try to make it come out of this hole with the buffalo. Perfect. Alright.
okay. Do you have your phone ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, since we don't have cameras, we're just recording it on our phone. We can't afford cameras. Or we don't need cameras.
Whoa. Did you get the whole thing, Devin?
It's okay.
I thought you were doing that.
Yeah. So we're just doing it now.
No.
I'm coming. Alright, so he's still gonna make it come out of this hole.
What? Okay, how about you just do it from the front?
And I'm on my tippy toes.
Yeah, we got the back.
I don't know if you guys can see, but he's doing it.
Okay, Jaden, do it from the front now.
Alright. So you guys your Sean's gonna make it come from here. Whoa, that glided fast. Oh my gosh, you hit this back.
Let's watch that. Let's watch the video.
Aw, man.
Let me see the video.
It is still going.
Stop! Stop it, Devin. Let me
Devin.
see the video.
It is still going, see?
So literally, boom.
Boom.
Wow,
It went in.
Let's see. Oh.
Wait, did I stick it?
No, you got it in the ground.
Oh.
It got crashed in the ground and was stuck there.
Oh wow, that's good. That's cool. Oh my gosh! What? How did it work? I'm about to choke myself. Okay, my turn. Now, Sean, go over there. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna test this one. Did I get it? Where did I get it? Hold on, leave it. Leave it. Aw, man, I got it right there. I'm suckish. I suck at it. Hold on, Sean. All right, go.
Whoa.
Sean, go.
And we crashed it through the wall and bounced back.
Sean, go. Oh, it landed like that. It landed just like mine.
So the video is still going?
We just stop it. Guys, he thinks the video is still going is cool. He thinks it's actually like mind-blowing. Sean, we had to stop the video whenever we want to stop it. He doesn't know.
This is going crazy.
Alright.
We're going to play Minecraft on this video.
Yep. We're also going to do, well, no, because we can't, because this video can't be longer than 15 minutes.
Oh,
It can only be like either 13
Okay,
or
yeah,
12 or
but-
14.
And this is the
Like we had, Sean, we have to stop it in a minute.
Oh.
Oh, I got stuck between the buffalo. Oh my god, we're gonna have to need Devin to get this. We're gonna Devin.
Stop it.
Guys, we're gonna pause y'all. Okay, so he's about to get it. And we're about to stop this video.
Okay. Stop it right now.
Alright guys, bye. We're gonna do a Minecraft video, I guess.